Let me share another real modernization case. This client is Zipper, a manufacturing business operating across more than 20 branch locations. At the center of their operations was an old on-premises ERP system. The system had grown complex over time. They relied on complex business reports that were tightly coupled to the old ERP system. Those reports needed to be upgraded, but without using any migration utilities and without disrupting the business, obviously. All complex reports were built using Oracle Apex without relying on any utilities, improved user experience, real time visibility across all branches, and a fully future ready platform built to scale with the business. That's what structured, clarity driven modernization looks like.